Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy summer shrug. And you're going to work a rectangle like this, then fold it in half and sew the two ends to form sleeves, and that will form this shrug. And you can make any size. So you're going to begin with a foundation chain that's as long as you would like your shrug to be, and that's approximately 20 inches. And then you'll work the rectangle, and that can be anywhere from 36 inches long for a size small up to maybe 60 inches for a larger size. And you can just keep working and stop whenever you feel that the rectangle is long enough. So let's get started. I'm working with Impressions yarn by Loops and Threads, and that's available at Michael's. This color is Tapestry. It's considered a bulky yarn, and it has 246 yards or 225 meters of yarn per ball, and a 9mm crochet hook. You could use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. The slip knot, and you're going to work a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your shawl to be. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to yarn around the hook, and you're going to work into the 4th stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to make a double crochet. And that is your first V-stitch. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, and you're going to make a V-stitch in the next stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same stitch. See that? Double, chain 1, double, all in the same stitch. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2, V-stitch in the next stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Skip 2 in the next stitch, make a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and double. Like that, all the way across the row. And after you have worked across the row, you're going to repeat the next row over and over. So you're going to turn your work, slip stitch into the first V-stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. In the same stitch, make another double crochet, and that will be the first V-stitch. In the next chain 1 space, make a V-stitch. Like that, a V-stitch in every chain 1 space. So V-stitch, 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 all the way across the row. I'm going to repeat that row over and over. And there's the row that I worked, and there's the second row. So just keep repeating this row. You're going to work a rectangle like this, then fold it in half and sew the two ends to form sleeves, and that will form this shrug. And you can make any size.